What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Jupiter, which has pumped up quite a bit in the last 24 hours. As you can see, it's up just over 17% and currently trading at 0.006282 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to keep pumping? As you can see, pumped up earlier today, dropped back down, pumped up again. So what is this next target? Is it going to pump up again? Is it going to drop back down in value? And also covering both buyers and sellers' point of view as to whether it's time to buy it right now. Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming days and weeks as well? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is down just over a percentage in the last 24 hours, and we can see that Jupiter is the third top gainer in the last 24 hours. So far it's been performing quite well. So let's open up the chart and see how it's been performing overall as well. So as you guys can see, we are currently looking at the hourly chart. In the last hour, just about half a percentage up. Over the last day, 15%. It did hit about 30% earlier on today, as you can see here, before it took a drop and then pumps again. Over the week, 6%, and over the month, just about 4%. It's been quite volatile, up and down, but overall it has maintained its value over the last 4 weeks. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by over 1,500%, guys, making it $1.5 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase, as a lot more people are looking into the project, because yes, it is one of the top gainers. So we are going to see a lot more people investing into it, a lot of people selling it, taking out their profits, and in general just a lot of people trading it. And we are expecting the trading volume to go much higher over the coming hours as more and more people start to trade Jupiter. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jupiter, which is here in purple at 0.005854 cents. However, we can see it trading at slightly higher value here in green at 0.006208 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? We do have the blue line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and we've got the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is both the lines going in opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours from Jupiter. So let's say by midday tomorrow, I'm expecting the crypto to be more or less trading around its current price range, which is between 0.006 cents and 0.0065 cents in target. But again, in between that time is very likely it's going to go outside those ranges, potentially pumping up to 0.007 cents, dropping down to 0.0055. So it's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome by midday tomorrow seems to be more on the neutral side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking quite bullish. Again, we're looking quite steep as well. The blue and the orange line are both looking very bullish, going in a positive direction. However, because they're looking so steep, guys, that's not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place earlier today. The graph thinks, yes, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. What I am expecting from Jupiter over the coming 7 to 8 days, so let's say by mid next week, is an overall minimal drop in value, potentially dropping down to about 0.0055 cents is what where I'm expecting Jupiter to be trading at by mid next week. But again, that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to hit green days in between, where it's likely to take a little pump and then drop down in value. But again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side, so an overall drop in value is expected by mid next week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, we've got quite of a mixed signal here. We've got the blue line looking very bullish, very steep, heading towards a positive direction, and the orange line just about slanting towards the negative direction, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from Jupiter over the coming 6 to 8 weeks. So in this case, I'm talking about late April, early May 2023. We should be seeing Jupiter heading towards the 1 cent target, or even past the 1 cent target by early May is what my predictions are at the moment. However, this depends on the market conditions. For example, if the crypto market goes through a major crash or a bull run or anything like that, this can have a major impact not just on the value of Jupiter but the crypto market in general. But anything like that, that's what I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Jupiter for the long term. However, for the short term, as I mentioned, I am expecting it to drop further. And for those of you guys who are into crypto for the short term and are looking to invest into Jupiter right now, I would be careful. I would have my risk management on point, only because I am expecting it to drop down over the coming hours and over the coming days as well, because it's pumped up so much in value. Again, guys, those of you guys who really want to invest into it, go for it. I'm not here to tell you guys to invest or not to invest. I'm just here to give you guys my predictions and my takes on this crypto, which for the short term is not looking too great. But if you guys think otherwise, then go for it. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Jupiter. We should be seeing Jupiter hit the 1 cent target over the next 4 to 6 weeks is what I'm expecting, so mid to late April 2023. So what I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to be hitting the 1 cent target? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before I end the video, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, and especially that I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year, guys. So please make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, because at the end of the day, it is free to subscribe. So why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and also comment down below any other cryptocurrencies that you guys want me to cover on this channel, and I'll make sure to do that for you guys. And yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.